Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE directs all affiliated schools to celebrate the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign from August 9 to 17, 2026, alongside the third phase of the 150th anniversary commemoration of Vande Mataram. Schools asked to organize flag hoisting, patriotic assemblies, cultural programs, pledge ceremonies, selfie with Tiranga participation and upload activity reports through the link provided by CBSE. Centre briefs Supreme Court on NEET reforms, says Task Force, 10-stage fortress security protocol, air-gap, AI systems, candidate-specific question papers and tougher anti-paper leak law introduced to eliminate leaks and strengthen exam security. CBSE opens post-result facilities for Class 10 students following the 2026 main and second board examination results, applications for scanned copies of evaluated answer books, verification of marks and re-evaluation to be accepted in a two-stage process through the official CBSE portal. Refer to the CBSE circular for more details. NEET UG shift to computer-based testing is under active consideration, Centre tells Supreme Court, says any structural change to be finalized in consultation with Health Ministry and National Medical Commission. CBSE invites students of classes 8 to 12 to participate in a national webinar on cyber security and online fraud organized by the Central Academy for Police Training, Bhopal, under the Bureau of Police Research and Development, Ministry of Home Affairs. On 6 August, schools asked to nominate students and teachers to promote cyber safety awareness and digital fraud prevention. CBSE to organize one-day offline capacity building program on artificial intelligence for senior secondary teachers in Kochi on 14 August. Schools directed to ensure participation of teachers handling AI for classes 11 to 12, with registration open till 12 August. India to host the 13th BRICS Education Ministers meeting and the 3rd BRICS Senior Officials meeting in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, from August 5 to 7, 2026. Education ministers and senior delegates from BRICS member countries to discuss collaboration in education, innovation, skill development, digital learning and sustainable academic cooperation under India's chairship theme, Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability. Ministry of Home Affairs tells Parliament it is proposing drug-free campuses within a 500-meter radius of educational institutions and consent-based student drug screening at centrally funded higher educational institutions under its vision document on narcotics control, 2026 to 2029. 3-year roadmap also includes preventive education, awareness campaigns, counseling and community participation. Supreme Court says Delhi and state governments are free to close or withdraw FIRs against students involved in recent protests, clarifies criminal antecedents refers only to grave and heinous offences, considers forming an SIT to probe alleged police excesses. Uttar Pradesh school principal suspended after viral video shows students served midday meal directly in hands instead of plates. Disciplinary action initiated against instructor. Supreme Court postpones hearing on petitions challenging CBSE's Class 9 three-language policy after the case was removed from 5 August hearing list. Petitioners say students are facing difficulties due to a shortage of teachers, lack of textbooks and other challenges in implementing the policy during the current academic session. IIT Hyderabad launches India's first industry academia program in nuclear technology Anugyan. This 3-month residential course will train engineers and professionals for the growing civil nuclear energy sector. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.